So you want to learn how to dance tutting. Are you ready? If you're watching this video using your phone, place it on the table and put your hands up. Put your hands up, go to the base position, and follow my lead. If you've gone this far in the video and you're watching this now, you've completed the Follow My Lead tutorial. Congratulations! Did you have fun? How curious are you to keep improving tutting dance? Would you like to become a tutting choreographer? You've seen it. It's proven better, tutter, faster. If you want to continue learning from Tutting Academy, you can either watch more tutorials on this page or you can become a tutting choreographer by applying to our online tutting workshop. Keep smiling, keep growing, keep dancing. Let's play with boxes, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.